Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. If today is your first time of coming across my video, this is a place to be. This is a place to be. Now today's tutorial is on how to make this lovely art cap wig. This is a cap, is a wig cap, so you want to learn this. And before I start, my name is Queen King. Now let's get to work. Now the first thing, now you need your cap, need your art cap, you need 2 or 3 bundles of hair, you need your thread, you need your scissors, you need needle, you need T-pin to pin the cap down to the mannequin head, then you need tape rule. Then let's start. So the first thing you want to do is to change the wig to the wrong side. This is my own wrong side. I want this pink to be inside, so that's why I'm using this. So the first thing, now you draw your face. This place I'm drawing now, we are not going to sew there, so I'm drawing 5 inches. Yes, because you want the wig to look like, you want the wig cap to look like, not like wig cap, but to look real, as if you are wearing wig under. So now we are going to draw. I'm sorry, my hand is not straight here, so you just have to take it the way. The first line I'm drawing, I'm not going to sew there, so I'm going to start from the second line, because I don't want to sew on that end at the shape, so that it won't affect when you want to turn it to the other side. So I'm going to start from the second line. So I'm sure everybody know how to sew wig, so just the way you are going to double the hair, double everything, just double everything like that, just like this. So then you start to sew from the second line, and make sure that your needle did not go to the other side of the cap. As you can see, the cap is 2. I'm sewing on the inner one, I'm not sewing on the other side. Make sure, please take precaution, and make sure you pin your cap down to the mannequin head. The first time I was doing it, I didn't pin it. So, and you can't even work without pinning it. If you don't have this T-pin, you can get a face pin, then pin it down, then start sewing. I'm going to fast forward this because I'm sure that my previous video I taught us how to sew. I'm still going to post more video on wig cap. So I think the next one I'll post face cap. Make sure your needle did not go to the other side of the cap. So just like that, just so pick up the hair together, the two. As you can see, my needle did not go to the other side of the cap. Pin it down, sew on the line, on the second line, just like this. I'm going to fast forward this video now. Just follow the line, sew from one end to the other, and ignore the front face that we left in the front. Please, if you're here to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Give me a thumbs up and comment on my video. Now you go to the next line. Can you see? Make sure you double everything. This wig is not up to 200 grams. I wanted this wig because this wig is for me, it's not for a client. I don't want it to be too full, so I think I used like 150 grams. It was 3 bundles, so I used like 180 grams or 150 grams. Let me just say 150 grams. Yes, so I didn't use up to 200 grams, but it's okay for me because this is for me. So if I'm making it for a client, I make sure I use 200 grams. You can use coiling hair, you can use short hair, you can use any type of hair, you can use body wave, you can use any type of hair to make this type of wig cap. I posted a braid face cap on my last video. If you're here to see the video, you can check my previous video and watch it. Subscribe guys, comment, it's keep me going. Just continue drawing. I'm still going to draw another because this is 2 line. I'm going to draw another line. So I use 3 line. If you like, you can draw your 4 line. You can just make it the way you want it to be. Like, it's very simple, very, very simple. Just follow the way I'm doing it, and it's very simple. If there is anything you are not clear about, please ask me in the comment section. I'll answer you. And if there's any video you want me to bring up here, feel free to tell me. So this is the end of the second line, so you can see me drawing the 3rd line up there. Please make sure that your hand is not too tight so that it will not squeeze the cap together. Breathe firmly. Make sure your hand is not too tight. And that's the end of the video, and you can see me rocking it. That same day I rock it to church. I rock it to a Bible study program. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.